Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over jasper.ai. It's an artificial intelligence generator. Now they did come out with a new template. It's called art here in this example. It's AI generated art content. Now I'm going to be putting in like an example here. Okay, I'm going to be putting in, let's see, I'll put let me just type it in here, a dog wearing goggles in a lab. Alright, so, and then we're going to put for the style, we're going to put 3D render, and then keywords, we're going to put, just to have fun with it, realistic. Okay, and then we're going to generate the new content here. And see, so it isn't still in beta mode. So I mean, but these are pretty good renders also, like this one here. I like this one. This one's pretty cool. Alright, so you could do all kind of stuff like that. And then we're just gonna take this off and then regenerate it. See what we come up with. Okay, and that's some pretty cool stuff. Alright, we're gonna go, let's see here. Yeah, you could come up with some pretty dark, frightening stuff too. So I'm gonna put in a house burning, and then no style on this, and then realistic. Come up with a lot of things here. All right. So yeah, it's and even the tree burned. So it's pretty realistic. And then let's come up with another one here. Show you some more examples. A planet covered with ice. Okay, we'll generate that one. See what we come up with here. Alright, and as you can see, these ones, not so much, but the bottom two, it's pretty much as realistic as it gets. And then, let's see here, put in a 3D render. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, that's pretty good also. And then we're gonna put in one more, a bear wearing a suit with glasses. Okay, let's see what we come up with on this one. Let's see what it comes up with. Alright. So yeah, these are pretty cool. I like this one here. I'm gonna actually download it. So yeah, that was pretty cool. And then we're gonna generate another one. Let's see what we come up with here. And you could also create NFTs as well. This one's pretty cool. So we'll go, let's see, we'll go to pixel art, and then we'll hit generate. And you could come up with some good NFTs here. Okay, go ahead and try to create another one. Let's see here. Alright, so that one was good, and then we'll go to pop art. And so you get some more cool stuff like that. Now it is free to sign up with jasper.ai, and this portion of it does come with the subscription. Now if you are interested, go ahead and click the link below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.